Alright guys, how's it going? Motor Chicken here again, back with another video. It's just my luck that it hasn't rained all day, and the minute I go out on the bike it starts to rain. Thanks for that. And obviously, like every other video, I need to get petrol, and I just realised a flaw with my GoPro mount. I'm trying to change my traction control setting. Oh, got a hiccup. Because when I was riding the last few times in the really cold weather, I had it set on 3 on a full TC, just so that I don't slip out. But I want to change it so I can do some pulls and some baby wheelies, but I can't. The button's stuck. Fuck. But anyway guys, hope that you are all well. I do also want to mention, if you haven't checked out my last video, go ahead and check it out. YouTube has absolutely been killing me lately. My channel, I've said it for a while, but all of a sudden it just really took a dive. Like, my last videos are not getting any views at all, really. Oh, the gravel here. And I don't know why. I've just completely fallen out of the algorithm. YouTube's fallen out of love with me. Oh yes, dry roads for now, because it is starting to rain. Traction control. It's so intrusive in mode 3. Really intrusive. I suppose it's good. Like, the back wheel just slipped the tiniest bit there and it kicked in, but it's very fucking annoying. Get to annoy everybody. Nice. But I have some exciting news. Some news I didn't think I'd actually be making for a while, so I'm happy. Of course, I got stuck at a red light now. The fuck was that? Someone screamed or made a loud noise. But yeah, I got some really exciting news, and it's why I had to come out today and just make a video. And that is, me and Mrs. Dragon are finally moving into our own place. So we haven't bought a house, and we're also not renting. It's a bit of a weird circumstance, but we're going into our own house, and I'm delighted. So we got to be adults. Yay, adults. We got to pay bills. I've literally just today, like an hour ago, I paid my the broadband, because obviously that's the most important thing. Getting the internet, not only for videos and stuff, but because I work from home, so internet's a little bit important. Hey, my fuel gauge fixed itself. The fuel gauge of this bike, I've said it in my things I hate about this bike, it's so slow. It's so annoying. Like, how many kilometers have I done? Did it say 137? No, not too bad, but yeah, it's so slow. It will say that it's empty and then it'll fix itself back up. It looks like it's pissing rain over there, god damn it. But yeah, so broadband is paid. That's getting installed on Tuesday, and then we should be in next week, because my phone signal isn't the strongest there for 3G or 4G, and yeah, so I can't really rely on that. Let's get some juicy juice. We've been saying for ages and ages we want to get our own place. We've been saving for our own place. Banks don't give us a mortgage because banks are banks. So yeah, we're moving out into our own place, and it's great. Like, all we have to do is pay bills. We don't have to pay rent, so it means we can still save our normal mortgage amount, and it looks better for the bank as well that we're saving, i.e. paying a mortgage, we'll say, because it's going to be the same amount, and paying bills and being able to afford all that. So I'm excited. But why I had to make the video as well is, unfortunately, it's a mid-terrace house, but there is back access, which is great. There's a lane I can go down, but I can't bring the bike yet, which is unfortunate. So I need to order a shed / garage. So we're going up today to kind of measure the back and see what I can get. For those who have actually bought sheds and garages, know that they're very expensive, and obviously it's going to be a steel shed. Thankfully, a steel shed with a decent lock, it is fine, but a steel shed classes as a garage for insurance, and obviously I can't get insured on this bike without a garage. It needs a garage. Oh, I got a hiccup. It needs a garage, so yeah, we're gonna get one. I'm gonna fill up petrol here and then go on the back roads home. Yay! So I need to get a shed, and there's no rush at the moment, so I can still leave my bike in Mrs. Dragon's parents' house. That's no problem. But you know, I want the shed so I can have my bike there and everything. So you know, I'm probably not going to be on the bike for a while. Oh, the doggy jumping. Just until we obviously get the shed. I can't bring the shed over, like it's an estate, so the bike's out, it's going to get nicked 100%. But then just for insurance, I don't want to lie to insurance, say yeah, I have my my bike garage, and then it gets nicked and then I'm fucked. Okay, I'm going to leave all the cameras running. That sounds very safe. It's going to save me a lot of time editing. I'm also going to keep my helmet on because I don't really have a mask. Oh, I do actually. I'll be a good boy. I don't want to breathe in anyone else's germs. I didn't even fill it up all the way. It says I have a full tank. It's bollocks. I put a tenner in it and I couldn't even see the fuel in the tank. They're lying to me. But yes, we are moving and I'm so happy. I'm really, really excited because like I've been living with Mrs. Dragon for like 3 years now, but in her like parents' house, so I think it's going to be great that we can actually have our own place, our own space, and it'll help us grow and blossom, I think. But you know, we'll get still save for our own house, but live with each other and enjoy it. That's a really bad place to break down. So I'm really, really excited. But yeah, the whole kind of shed situation's a bit annoying, but there's nothing we can do about that. Gotta go measure and buy a shed. I have one in mind. It's about 600 and something €, so it's not too bad, but I need to just make sure that it's gonna fit, and I know my bike will fit. I think it's a 6 by 8 foot, so it's more long than it is wide. So the bike should probably just about fit lengthways or widthways if I put it in on its side, but it will definitely fit netways on it, so that's all I really care about. And then obviously I want a shed that I can have a bit of room to throw some shit in, you know. I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be different. I'm gonna have my own little office, which is gonna be great. So excited. I already have thousands spent in my head on stuff that I can't buy. But you know, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna kit out my office and do all that stuff. But I'm like, it's good because obviously for anyone that's moved into their own place, there's a lot of upfront cost to buying or moving into your own place, and especially for the very first time. Like, we need to buy stupid shit like cups and plates and bowls and stuff. Thankfully, like, there's already all like the mod cons, as they call it, in the place, all brand new stuff, so like we're sorted that way. And we literally only renovate, yeah, I mentioned before, we literally just done up our own room like a few months ago. Not even a few months ago. I think it was in October, so yeah, it would be a few months ago actually. We only done that up, so we have all brand new bed, wardrobe, stuff like that, so that's, you know, a big bit of money we don't need to spend, yeah. Ah, yes, just for the kiddies. I'm really, really excited. I didn't think this was going to happen at all, but like we had a talk kind of a few weeks ago that we're going to start really saving for a mortgage. You know, we have a decent deposit, but it was just actually get a deposit or to get a mortgage. But the banks were still saying, yeah, we have to be saving X amount for at least 6 months, which we haven't been doing. You know, I've been saving for over a year, like a decent amount, but they want more. Greedy little fuckers. So after discussing it with Mrs. Dragon's parents, they were like, politely, we want you out. In the politest way possible, they were just like, yeah, please leave. Like, they want their own space, which is like completely understandable. It's just unfortunate that rent isn't as cheap here as it is, say, like in America. You know, in America, a 26-year-old living with parents is very strange, and I get that, but in Ireland it's just so expensive. Like, we're looking at 3-bedroom houses to buy, like say brand new, because it's the kind of price we know. Just in our area they're about 260 to 280,000 euro. But if we wanted to move, say, to Dublin, where my work is and where Mr. would be able to get a new job, no problem, you know, you're talking 350,000 to 400 minimum. So you're kind of stuck. Ireland's just a rip-off in general. Oh, boop boop. I'm just more excited to have my own office. Like, at the moment, like, I have an office, but it's the old, oh you fuck, it's the old like sitting room. Oh, you dirty fucker. My visor is now caked in muck. Get out of the ditch, you fuck. Stupid white van man. It's just annoying now with lockdown. I can't even go to IKEA and get all like the nice little bits. But unfortunately, when IKEA opens, fuck, that's going to be some haul. It's going to be an expensive day out, methinks. But anyway, guys, like, that is the update. A relatively quick video. I just wanted to say, you know, what's happening, because if I don't have a video up in a few weeks, you know, normally I haven't really been uploading. I've been uploading like every 2 weeks, but if I don't have a video up in the next, you know, 3 or 4 weeks, you know, that's why. It's just getting the shed and everything sorted. I'm also a little bit nervous bringing the bike there, mainly just because I don't want to piss people off, because it's not quiet, you know. But anyway, guys, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram if you actually want updates of, like, you know, what's happening, because obviously I'm going to be putting stuff up there. I'm an unofficial Insta hun. But anyway, guys, like, that is the video. I hope all of you enjoyed. Wish us luck with our moving endeavour. But like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next video.